Hello and welcome back to PE Fitness Frenzy with Mrs. Transafillo. We are working hard today and we are going to make sure that you work hard too. We are working on some animal movements today. Our legs, our arms, and our abs. So get ready for a really high intensity workout with me and my friends. PE Fitness Frenzy. Hello and welcome back to PE Fitness Frenzy. We're getting ready to start another workout. And today we are doing some animal moves. We have 3 sets of 3 for our animals today. So listen carefully as we get started. But I'm going to introduce you to my people one more time. This is Vincent. Hello, Vincent. This is Marcus. Hello, Marcus. And we have Kira. Hello, Kira. Miss Sass. All right, are we ready to start? All right, fix up your mat. Let's get ready. First exercise is going to be a frog jump. So everybody's going to get down in a froggy position. And we're going to hop up. 1, 2. And we're going to hop back. 1, 2. Keep your back straight. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Are you ready? All right, 30 seconds. Everybody stand up on your marks. Keep your feet apart on your mat. Get set. And go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep going. Keep going. Don't quit. You're almost there. This is the hardest one today. Come on, it's really going to work your legs. Don't stop. You're a froggy. We got 10 seconds. Who's giving up? Oh no, it's only round 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Ooh, that hurt. All right, number 2. Bear crawl. Are you ready? Hands go down, feet up, no knees touching the ground. Marcus, put your feet on the mat. Ready? You crawl up, and you crawl all the way back of your mat. Try not to go off your mat. Got it? All right, everybody stand up. Catch your breath. Ready? What's it called?
Bear crawl.
All right, on your marks. Get set. Get on your mat. Go. Don't quit. Come on, you gotta go faster. 10 seconds. You got this, come on. Where's that bear? Roar. Almost there. Done, done, done. Second one done. First one frog, second one bear. Next one, caterpillar. You're right. Take a deep breath. Caterpillar, you stand up. You put your hands down and you walk out to a plank position. Keep your body straight. And then you walk back. Come back up. Marcus, that's not how you do it. Can you show me how to do it correctly? And then walk back up. Great job. On your marks. Get set. Go. You don't have to go too fast. You're stretching. Come on, Vincent. Keep going. Don't move your feet, Vincent. Push all the way up. 5 more seconds. A caterpillar. Like he's inching up and down a tree. And break. Good job. All right. Frog jumps. Go. Come on, keep going. We're all froggies. What's a froggy say? Ribbit. 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 Come on. Don't quit. Halfway. Bend your knees all the way down. Kira, get your butt down. Get your butt down. Come on, 5 seconds. We don't quit. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 1, done. Next one, ready? What was it?
Caterpillar.
Bear crawl. Ready, set, go. Faster. How you feeling up there? Don't quit. Keep moving. Let's go. Too many people not doing the right thing over here. Let's go. Come on, Marcus, let's go. Quit. Done. Stop. Get up, fix your mat. Let's go, quick. Next one, caterpillar. On your marks. Get set. Go. Sometimes you gotta stop and adjust. You can pause us, but you can't stop. You gotta keep going. Let's go. You're halfway there. Last one. And stop. All right, last round. Third round, on your marks. Froggy jumps, we're almost there. Last round, best round. Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go. Gotta work hard. Ribbit. 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 Come on, this is the hardest one. We're almost done it. Ribbit. Ribbit. 10 seconds. Feel it burning. Your legs are working. You got 5 seconds. Breathe. Don't stop. 2. Good feel. Good burn. Burn. Bear crawl. Ready. Set. Go. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. I know. Keep going. All right, I will stop if you move. There you go. Wow. Hurry up, come on. Come on, you're almost there. Done. Caterpillar, last one. Last one, best round. Feeling good, feeling good. Ready, set, go. Can you keep up? Don't move your feet. Plank, bring it up straight. Breathe in, up. Come on, you're almost there, 10 seconds. A little faster. Almost done. And then we'll stretch. Done. Everybody stand up, ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Look, turn around, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sit down. Shake it out. Since we're doing animals, let's do a butterfly. Gotta breathe. Butterfly. You want to do a flamingo? What's a flamingo look like?
Oh yeah.
What's a flamingo? Flamingo go one leg? How about the other leg? What's a flamingo do? One leg up, right? Oh. All right, last deep breath. Good job. Everybody clap. You did a good job. He Fitness Frenzy. Woo!